Hello viewers. Today I want to show you something that every RV owner should have. RV owner, mobile home owner, tiny house. If you own one, I'm referring mainly to RVs here, you need this. What is it? What's under here? Is it the latest, greatest gadget with bells and whistles and electronics and buttons? Nope. It is a roll of tape. Not just any tape. This is eternabond tape. Very special tape. Come in real handy. It is made for roofs. RV roofs, tiny home, mobile home, whatever. Can also be used on the sides, on doors, even on glass, even to hold down flat solar panels on the roof by simply laying your panel down and running some tape all the way around all four sides of it. But its purpose is, you know, if you're out there and you hit one of those low-hanging branches or something hanging down, you rip a hole in your roof covering. Again, it doesn't matter if it's fiberglass, EPM rubber, whatever. You'll be glad you had this. It's not cheap, but it's a permanent fix, and it is incredible. Water's not going to penetrate that when you put it down properly. And it's simple to put on. A few things you need to know. One, I've had this for 7 years. I had it for 5 years. I got it from somebody that had it for 2 years. Still being used to this day. You get a tear or a hole or whatever in your RV. You just cut off a piece big enough to fit over it and cover it. And I don't know if you can see it, but there's a plastic film, which I hope I can get off. Now that I'm trying to film and I probably can't. Anyway, I hope you can see it. Maybe I got it. There you go. Yeah. There you go. You peel that off, and that's the sticky part. And believe me, be ready when you do that, because you don't want to touch it in here. I'm going to throw this piece away. Just wanted to show you that. But you would simply take the area, clean off any debris, wipe it down real good with like some rubbing alcohol would work. Let it dry for a second or two. Take a piece off. You can go as long as you want. Put it down over that. Do not stretch this tape at all. None. You know how, excuse me, you know how whenever you wrap electrical wires with electrical tape, you pull it real good and tight? You will not do that with this, or it won't work. Yes, just simply lay it down. Wipe off the area, let it dry, lay it down. Take a roller, a seam roller, a wallpaper roller. You know what? I'll put a link to this eternabond and the roller in the description. Check it out. So you simply lay it down, you pull the sticky off, lay it down, take your roller, and with very hard, firm pressure, start in the center, roll back and forth 3 or 4 times, and then work your way out, and then come back to the center, work your way the other way. Really hard, firm pressure. And then as a last resort, I like to go this way, from one end to the other. And that's it. That activates it. That rolling it out is what activates it. This will not come up. It's down permanent. So wherever it lands is where it's going to stay. It's not coming up. If you mess up laying it down somehow and you haven't rolled it yet, it's possible to pull it up at that point. But it's going to be very sticky, very hard to do, and the piece is wasted. So put it down, roll it real good and tight, and you're done. Some people will even put a bead of that die core around the edges here. That's absolutely not necessary. But if you want to, go for it. This sticks to pretty much everything. It doesn't like sticking to silicone too well, but that's the only thing it doesn't. And I would not, there shouldn't be any silicone on an RV anywhere anyway. You know, some other uses. I know people that have had their doors get a hole in them. They blew open in a windstorm and hit the leg of an awning or something and put a hole right through it. I know a guy that took a piece of this and put over on a little hole on his RV 4 years ago. It's still there. It still works fine. This stuff will last forever. It's a permanent fix. It's not coming up. You know, you can lay down your flat solar panels and run this tape around all four corners or all four sides. People have done that. I've even known a person that put some on a glass that broke on the side of their RV. It doesn't look pretty, but they can continue their vacation. Water's not going to come in. It's not going to shatter or open, and they can fix it when they get back. If something hits the side of your RV, a kid's bicycle handlebar, I don't know, a rock, whatever, baseball, whatever, this will keep water from coming in. It's up to you whether you fix it or not. But this is made for roofs, and it is absolutely vital. Something you should have. You know, everybody's already going to have a little toolkit and fire extinguisher, spare tire, the basic things. But this is something a lot of people don't think about. I'm going to put a link in the description. This is also going to have some give, some flexibility, some stretching, you know, as things shift and move naturally in an RV and expand and contract. But this will be your best friend. It's a permanent fix too. Put it down, forget it, and don't need to go have anything further fixed. Again, I'll put a link in the description to the eternabond tape. I'll also put the roller in there. Really good insurance to have. All right, guys and gals, that's all I got for you today. Hope that helped. Thanks for watching.